Hello beautiful people, and welcome once again to this video. I was just curious and I had to try something. What happens when you turn off every option under your single ad and submit ad, edit ad section of your Classiera options? When you turn off everything, what happens? Here is a single ad, everything is turned off. And the second one here is the submit ad, edit ad, everything is turned off as well. So what happens? Now let's go to single ad first. Here is an ad. Just have the admin, the image of the ad, the ID, the date added, view and description, and that's all. Then on the other hand, if you go to the submit ad page, here you have categories, title, ad description, keywords, images, and that's all. Now on the other hand, what happens when you turn on all the features? So I'm coming back here, I will say on, and I say save. And on the second option, put everything on. And I say save. Now going back to this page, I will load and I have ad type added, price, and everything place. Now on the single ad page, what happens when I load? Have the bid section, comment section, the comment section, and also everything here. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.